Welcome to KK Audi's. Get ready to experience the pinnacle of luxury and performance as we unveil the Ferrari 250 GT Spyder Reborn concept car. Let's begin with the perfect front view, a sight to behold. The iconic Ferrari emblem takes center stage, gleaming proudly on the sculpted grille. Look at those sharp LED headlights. Crafted like jewels, they pierce through the darkness with elegance and power. The hood's smooth aerodynamic lines give the car a bold yet refined appearance, embodying Ferrari's signature design language. Now, shifting to the perfect side view, the true artistry of this vehicle comes to life. Notice the flowing contours, blending heritage-inspired curves with modern precision. The glossy orange finish doesn't just reflect light, it radiates sophistication. The polished alloy wheels with intricate detailing stand as a testament to Ferrari's attention to detail, while the sleek low-profile tires promise unrivaled grip and control. Even the door handles, flushed into the body for aerodynamic efficiency, exude innovation. This is more than a car, it's a rolling masterpiece. And as a hint, owning this marvel might just come with a price tag only a select few can afford. Stick around to learn more about the cost of this unparalleled machine. Step inside and you're welcomed into a cabin where luxury meets innovation. The vibrant orange leather seats are crafted to perfection, featuring precision stitching that speaks of elegance and exclusivity. The sleek dashboard combines high-quality carbon fiber and brushed metal finishes, housing state-of-the-art digital displays and controls. From the driver's perspective, the ergonomically designed steering wheel, adorned with the iconic Ferrari logo, places everything you need at your fingertips. The soft ambient lighting enhances the cabin's luxurious appeal, creating an environment of pure indulgence. Even the rear seats, though secondary, maintain the same level of opulence. Every inch of this interior is a masterpiece of design and comfort. What sets the Ferrari 250 GT Spyder Reborn apart isn't just its aesthetic appeal. This is a car that offers unparalleled benefits for its owner. It's an icon reborn, designed for those who demand exclusivity, performance, and luxury in equal measure. With cutting-edge safety features, advanced technology, and a heritage that few can rival, this car is as practical as it is luxurious. Whether it's the unmatched driving comfort or the prestige of owning a limited production vehicle, the Ferrari 250 GT Spyder Reborn is not just transportation, it's an experience. Did you know the Ferrari 250 GT Spyder Reborn concept car pays homage to one of Ferrari's most iconic models from the 1960s? This modern iteration beautifully blends its classic heritage with cutting-edge design and technology. Each curve and detail on this car is a tribute to the timeless elegance that made the original a legend. But there's more than meets the eye. The body of the car is crafted from ultra-lightweight materials, improving both speed and efficiency, while the vibrant orange finish is achieved through a multi-layer paint process for unmatched depth and brilliance. This is a car designed not just to perform, but to captivate. And let's not forget the sound. Imagine the roar of its engine, a symphony of power that announces your arrival long before you're seen. Whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling open roads, this car ensures you're the center of attention wherever you go. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the unmatched engineering, luxury and performance that make this Ferrari a Ferrari exclusive GT Spyder Reborn. Houses a powerful engine designed to deliver exceptional speed and acceleration. Every turn of the wheel is precise, and every corner is a thrill thanks to its finely tuned suspension and advanced aerodynamics. Whether on highways or curving roads, this car offers an unmatched driving experience. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for, the price. With limited production and meticulous craftsmanship, this car is truly one of a kind. The Ferrari 250 GT Spyder Reborn concept car starts at an estimated $3.5 million. Yes, $3.5 million. An investment in owning not just a car, but a piece of automotive history, reborn for the modern connoisseur. Thank you for watching KK Autos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive car showcases. Until next time, drive safe and let your dreams accelerate.